Hi, today we're going to see how to create a neon text effect in GIMP. So first we need to create a new transparent layer. Click on this icon here, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now change its layer mode here to multiply, here. And now I'm going to change the foreground color here. Click on it and then double click on the HTML notation and then type 0045 FF, press enter and then press OK. And now select the gradient tool. Make sure the gradient is FG to BGRGB and the shape is radial. And then just trace here the gradient. So here it is like this. And now press enter to confirm the grading. And now select the rectangle selection tool. Now I'm going to make selection, so here. And now I'm going to change its width to 1000 here. Double click here and then type 1000. And here to 500. So here, press enter. And now I want rounded corners here on the square, so check the rounded corners here. And now I'm going to keep the radius to 100. So here, and now just select another tool here to confirm. And now I'm going to create a new transparent layer. Click on this icon here, fill it with transparency, press OK. And now I'm going to select for the background, I'm going to select a white color here, so the white. And then just drag the background here like this. And now here, while the selection is active, go to select, shrink. I'm going to reduce it by 5 pixels, press OK. And now just press the delete key on your keyboard. So here it is. And now just go to select, none to remove the selection. And now I'm going to center this layer here. So I'm going to crop it first. So go to layer, crop to content, select the alignment tool, left click here on the layer and then center it horizontally and vertically. And now just select the layer and the layer to image size. If you want to remove the squares here, just select another tool like this. And now right click on the layer here with the square, alpha to selection. And now I'm going to increase this selection by 5. So go to select, grow, and then select 5 pixels, press OK. And now I'm going to create a new transparent layer. So click on this icon here, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now just drag it under the white square here, this one here. Place the empty transparent layer here under it. And now just fill it with the blue color we used for the gradient. So here it is, it's the foreground color. And now go to select, none to remove the selection. And now I'm going to blur the blue square here. So go to filters, blur, Gaussian blur. I'm going to blur it by around 5 pixels maybe here. So I'm going to increase it a little bit. So I think I will keep it like this and now press OK. And now select the top layer, change the foreground to white, just click on these arrows here and then select the text tool. The font I'm going to use is This July. I will put the link of this font in the description box. So left click here and then just type your text. I'm going to type neon, Control A to select all the text. And now change the font size to 400. Double click here and then just type 400. And now let's select another tool here to confirm. And now I'm going to center it. So first I'm going to crop the layer. So go to layer, crop to content, and then select the alignment tool. Left click here, and then align it horizontally and then vertically here like this. And then right click, layer to image size. If you want to remove the squares here, just select another tool like this. And now right click on the text here and then alpha to selection. And then I'm going to reduce the selection here by 5 pixels. So go to select, shrink. And here it is 5 pixels. Press OK. And now just press the delete key on your keyboard. So here it is. And now go to select, none to remove the selection. And now right click on the text here and then alpha to selection again. And here I'm going to increase it by 5 pixels. So go to select, grow here and then type OK here. So it's 5 pixels, press OK. And now create a new transparent layer. Click on this icon here, fill it with transparency, press OK. Make sure to place it under the text layer here. So click on this icon here. So here it is. And now just fill it with the blue color we used. So here it is. And now go to select, none to remove the selection. And now I'm just going to blur it. So go to filters, blur, Gaussian blur. So here it is. I'm going to blur it a little bit like this. Don't overdo it. So I'm going to keep it like this, I think. So here, I think it's okay. Now press OK here. And now if you want to brighten the neon here, select the top layer here. Click on this icon here to create a new transparent layer. Fill it with transparency, press OK. And then select the brush tool. So here are the settings I'm using for the brush tool. I'm choosing a quite big size here for the brush. And then change the layer mode here of the layer we just created to overlay. And then just click here inside the neon here. So as you can see, it will brighten it like this. So I'm going to click here on the square here. So here it is. And now we can still add another effect. So just hide the top layer here with the overlay mode here. And now I'm going to merge these 4 layers here. So click on the neon layer with the text here. And then merge it down here once, twice, and for the last time. So that we have the neon, the complete neon in one layer. And now I'm going to add a drop shadow to it. So now go to filters, lighten shadow, drop shadow. And now I'm going to increase the opacity here. So here like this, increase a little bit the blur radius. So here, and then press OK. And now I'm just going to show the top layer again. Click on the eye icon here. So here it is. It will give it 3D look. So here, and then right click, new from visible. And so here it is. That's how we can create a neon text effect in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.